How to use the Move tool in Autostrek. Select the Move tool from the toolbar or press M on the keyboard. To move freely, left-click once to pick up the object. Move it to the new position, then left-click once to place it. For more precise moving, left-click once on a point on the object you want to move. Move the cursor to the target point, then left-click to place it there. Hold Ctrl-L while moving to create a copy instead of moving the original. Copied objects are easy to spot in the groups list, as they use orange text. You can also right-click an object to copy or delete it. Right-click to select multiple objects to move. Right-click in empty space to clear the multiple selection. You can also move an object along its edges. Hover a corner point, then hold Shift. Keep holding Shift to slide the point along the edge, or type a distance to place the object at an exact position along that edge. Make sure you are on the correct edge, as all edge lines are active.